Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to make mince pies. It's an easy recipe. Let's get started. Add plain flour and cold unsalted butter into the stand mixer. Add some sugar, lemon zest. Turn on the machine at medium speed. In a couple of minutes, turn off the machine when you have fine crumbs. Restart the machine at low speed. Add lemon juice. Add 1 beaten egg. Turn off the machine when you have soft paste. Weigh the pastry dough and divide it into 2 parts. 1/3 for the lid, the rest will be the base. Keep them in the fridge for 20 minutes. Place the dough on a flour table. Roll out the dough to have 3 mm thickness. I use 9 cm cookie cutter for the base. I choose 12-well muffin pan to bake my mince pies. 7 cm cookie cutter for the lid. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Fill each well not more than 2/3 with mincemeat. Add a little water to the edge, then cover with the lid. Brush some egg wash on top. Make some pie vents. Sprinkle sugar on the surface. Bake them for 16 to 20 minutes until you see the golden color. Time is up. Let's check the mince pies. My recipe is enough to make 12 mince pies. This is the price list of all my ingredients, so each mince pie cost me just over $1. I'm going to enjoy my mince pies with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching my video.